AI can help technicians and managers think faster, write clearer notes, and organize workflows. But it can also create liability if used carelessly. Let's talk about the right way to use AI in a repair shop so it supports your team without risking customer data or bad decisions. Start by separating two use cases: operational support, notes, checklists, training summaries, and decision support, research, troubleshooting ideas. Transition into the key warning. AI outputs can sound confident while being wrong, so it should assist, not replace technical expertise or policy decisions. Then explain safe technician manager usage. Use anonymized scenarios, avoid identifiable job details, and treat AI suggestions as draft input. Move into manager responsibilities, set expectations, review outputs, and maintain accountability. Add a quick verification loop. Check facts, check compliance, check customer impact. Close by reinforcing the long-term advantage. Shops that pair AI speed with disciplined oversight will outperform those that chase shortcuts.